There are two common assumptions that have been a hindrance to the development of the Saskatoon Catholic Cyber School. The first is the targeted K-12 learners for this school are the digital natives, as explained by Prensky, and what it means to teach such learners. The second assumption is that because it is an online high school, all course materials and activities must happen on the computer and within the course. Digital natives are a generation who are very comfortable using and relying on the internet and find their face-to-face instructors in school frustrating illiterate. These natives are a different type of learner that when many of the online instructors were in school are a different type of learner than when many of the online instructors were in school, and the difference must be recognized. With this statement, it is also important that the developers and the instructors, although faced with learners who are more computer literate, cannot make the assumption that they'll be versed in all technologies and tools used in the courses. This assumption will create frustration for the learners when faced with technology they have not yet previously encountered. It is necessary to take the time to recognize this shortfall of the learner and resolve it with instructions. Knowing your targeted learner should dictate how much instruction is necessary, and a continuous review of the learner's skills will make it easier to avoid making dangerous assumptions regarding their ability. The second assumption, that all work must occur on a computer within an online course, is a hindrance because it removes some very valuable learning experience. An example of this was a creative writing course. The learners were asked to write a poem regarding what they see outside. The instructor took a digital picture of the scene outside the window and placed it within the course. It would have been just as easy to get the learners to stand up and walk to the window and look. We are caught in the assumption that in an online course, all content and materials need to be completed inside the website of the course. One of the strengths of the online course is that it is online and being taught within the largest library in the world. As the administrator of the cyber school, I assume that this was evident to all developers and instructors and that they would use this library, but this again was a dangerous assumption. Many of our courses use the internet as a delivery system and for nothing else. Online courses should use the internet resources.